Let me tell you a short story. One evening, a class 9 student came home from school, threw his bag on the sofa and said, "Mom, why do we go to school for 12 years and still people struggle to get jobs?" His mother paused for a moment, because that question reveals something most people misunderstand about education. The boy looked tired and frustrated. "Mom, we study so many subjects. Hindi, Telugu, English, maths, science, social, but after studying all this, people still struggle to find good jobs. I see people doing extra coaching, skill courses and certifications. So what is the point of school?" His mother listened quietly because honestly, it was a question many students in India feel but rarely ask. She sat next to him and said, "Maybe you are looking at school the wrong way. School is not only about getting a job. It is about building the basics of your life." The boy looked confused and asked, "Basics? What basics?" His mother smiled and started explaining. "Think about the languages you learn, Hindi, Telugu and English. These subjects are not just for exams. They teach you how to communicate with people. In a country like India where people speak different languages, communication can open many opportunities. Many successful people are not toppers, but they know how to communicate clearly and confidently." She continued, "Now think about mathematics." The boy quickly replied, "Mom, when will I ever use trigonometry in life?" His mother laughed and said, "Maths is not just about trigonometry and formulas. It trains your brain to think logically and solve problems. The same thinking helps in business, technology, engineering and even managing money." Then she explained science. Science teaches curiosity. It helps you understand why things happen in the world. And social studies, she continued, teaches you how society works, history, government, economy and people, even understanding self if we break it down and see in a micro frame. All these shape the people and the country we live in. The boy then asked another question. "Mom, if school teaches all these things, why do people still go to coaching institutes?" His mother sighed and said, "The issue is not always teachers or schools. Sometimes it feels as if teachers themselves are burdened with limited time and a lot of syllabus to cover." She continued, "Imagine a teacher who only has 40 or 45 minutes for a class but must complete a huge syllabus within a few months. In that situation, the focus slowly shifts from helping students truly understand the subject to simply completing the syllabus. So it's not that teachers don't want students to learn deeply. Sometimes the system puts them under pressure to finish everything quickly. And when that happens, students end up preparing more for exams rather than learning real skills." The mother continued, "There are also some important life skills that are not focused on enough in many schools today." She explained that students today should also learn things like financial education, communication skills, civic sense and digital awareness because these skills help people survive and grow in the real world. The boy stayed quiet for a moment and then smiled. "So school is not useless, we just misunderstood its purpose." His mother nodded and added, "And remember one more thing. Education doesn't happen only in schools. Parents, experiences and the environment also teach us many important lessons in life." Conclusion: many students today feel school is a waste of time. But the truth is this, school is not meant to teach you everything about life. It is meant to prepare your mind so you can learn anything in the future. The role of parents: there is one more important truth. Schools alone cannot shape a child. Parents play an equally important role. In fact, many experts say, parents are the first and best teachers. Children learn more by observing behavior than by reading textbooks. If parents guide them properly, Children can grow into confident and capable individuals. Now I want to ask you something. Have you ever asked this question in your life? Why do we actually go to school? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more videos about education, careers and financial awareness, make sure to subscribe to the channel because the right knowledge at the right time can completely change your future.